You're about to witness what happens when living microscopic organisms come into contact with three of the most popular protein powders. Let's find out which one changes their behavior the most under the microscope. Hey, but real quick, before we get into this video, I found this guy in one of my samples, so I'll explain what this guy is later on, so stay tuned. This is NutraBio Protein Powder under the microscope. At 100 times magnification, we can see rounded particles of different sizes scattered throughout the sample. Zooming in to 400 times reveals a much larger, smooth particle in greater detail. Now let's see how live rotifers react when they're introduced to it. All right, so here's our first rotifer, and before we introduce the NutraBio, I'm going to explain a little bit about this guy. You see those things moving around? That's called a cilia. And it creates a vortex and it pulls food in to his mastex, which is his grinders right there behind cilia. Right behind that is his stomach. And the thing moving right there is his muscles to digest. And sometimes they carry eggs, but I don't see any eggs in this guy. So this is called capillary action, introducing this on the side of the cover slip, and it sucks it through the other side. That's how it works. Here comes that first wave at 40 times magnification, and there it is, you guys see it? Now that's the first wave at NutraBio, and let's look at this guy's reaction and see what he does. So I flooded him pretty good, and it looks like he's moving around a little bit, trying to hide. So it seems like he's trying to relocate. He does not like his environment. And rotifers, when they feel threatened, one, they'll try to change locations, areas, and two, they will curl up in a ball, and that's their protective measure. But this guy is not curling up, which means that's a good sign. I just think he's really pissed off that his environment changed, and there's another one coming in their far left, but they both are looking to relocate. And so I follow these guys around for a good 10 minutes, but they're just doing the same thing. They're moving around, they're trying to locate a better area to forage and eat. So let's go ahead and move on to the next sample. Okay, here is Equate Plant Based Protein. At 100 times magnification, we can see a dense mixture of particles ranging from tiny granules to much larger clusters. If I had to guess, the larger clumps are likely protein aggregates that form during processing or mixing, while many of the smaller particles could be plant fibers, gums, emulsifiers, or added vitamins and minerals. As we zoom in to 400 times, those larger aggregates reveal a much more complex surface. Now let's see how live rotifers respond when this protein is introduced to their environment. All right, so here he is at 100 times, and here comes the first blast of Equate Plant Based Protein Powder, and we'll see how he reacts. So far, so good. Looks like he's not curling up into a ball. There's something in front of him right there, but let's go ahead and bump this up to 400 times. And this will give you a closer look on what's going on inside him. So far so good. And I'm going to blast him again. So let me try this. Okay, there's round 2 blast of the Equate Plant Based Protein Powder. And he's looking to leave like really quick here, guys. He's looking to evacuate like ASAP, looking for a clean spot. So let's see where he goes. Okay, this is like 8 minutes later, guys, and I followed this guy around the slide, and it looks like he ended up over here. He started to go into the ball, and watch him again. He's gonna go into a ball again, and he's gonna stay like this. So remember the first sample, NutraBio, they just wandered around for a while. They never went into a ball at all, but this one, the plant-based, this is where he stayed. So let's move on to the third sample. Next up is Equate Whey Protein. At 100 times magnification, the sample appears much denser than I expected, with large clumps surrounded by countless smaller particles. As we zoom in to 400 times, those clusters reveal a much more complex structure, almost like they're made up of layers of tiny granules packed together. While the microscope can't identify exactly what each particle is made of, it does give us a fascinating look at the protein's physical structure before we introduce it to the rotifers and see how they respond.
Hey guys, it's Riley. Seriously, what is this thing? I took some old water from a flower pot in my grandparents' backyard, by the way. I put it underneath a microscope and found this. It looks like some kind of tiny worm. I'm not really sure what it is, but I would really like to know what it is. I've never seen anything like it. It's kind of wild though. You know, nature's kind of cool like that. If you know what this thing is, you guys should let me know in the comments because I would love to figure this out. Okay, so we got our last rotifer. This is from the Whey Protein, Equate Protein actually, sorry, my bad. Okay, we got our first wave hit, and he's tucking his chin a little bit. It's okay. He looks like he's trying to see what this is. He looks like he's eating it. Oh, we're gonna zoom in. This is 400. Well, we gotta find him real quick. There we go. Okay, we get a little close up. We see the little particles moving. We can see him grinding the particles together into his stomach. Okay, guys, so we've been through all three of the protein powders. So, what do you guys think? The first one, NutraBio, which is, first of all, the most expensive one. You know, they kind of just wandered around, did their little walk. The second one, the plant-based one, which is Equate Plant Based Whey Protein, they went straight into basically a ball. They wandered, and then they said, nope, I'm not taking this, and went to a ball. And then the third one, which is just Equate normal whey protein, they kind of did the same thing as the first one. Like, I don't know. That says something to me. Put in what you guys think in the comments and let me know. Okay, you guys should tell me, what do you guys think about that little creature that we found? That was a little freaky, a little weird. Not gonna lie. That was a little, just let me know in the comments.
Hey everybody, thank you for watching the video, and I have a special guest here today. It's my granddaughter, Riley. Say hi, Riley. Go. What's up?
What's up, guys?
All right, tell them how old you are.
I'm 14.
Yes, and you're going to high school
Yes.
in September. She's my lab assistant. She's very smart, and I had to fly her in because you know, she's a very busy girl, and she competes.
Oh, do I?
She's you know, all about the weightlifting and stuff like that, so she's really good. So, what'd you think about the three powders?
I thought they were kind of cool though. Like,
Yeah?
they're kind of cute. Like
The rotifers or the powder?
the rotifers.
Okay, so
The powders, they reacted very differently.
which one reacted the strangest?
I think this one, the plant-based one.
This one here?
Yeah, because I don't know why. You would think because it's plant-based, it's not gonna react different because it's
Right.
like made of a plant and stuff. But
Yeah.
no, the rotifer actually curled up into an actual like ball, and then compared to like the whey proteins, they didn't.
Like that one? Let's see that one.
Yeah, like the whey one, like the one that normal people buy. I mean,
Normal?
yeah.
We're not normal though, right?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so what they did was the rotifers kind of like we introduced, you saw the video, so
Yeah.
they kind of like stuck with it, you know, they're trying to figure out their environment changed, so, but they didn't curl up in a ball at all, right?
I know, that's weird.
It's kind of cool. So yeah, the rotifers, and also we caught something on film. That you guys, was that
was
crazy?
cool. No, that was actually really interesting.
I thought it was a snake.
And I'm not like nerdy like that, but
Yeah.
like
Yeah?
it was actually cool. Like I was actually.
You are kind of nerdy like me.
I mean, I can get on the nerdy side.
Kind of related, you know, almost. So this right here, tell them about this. So,
Oh yes,
there we
this.
go.
Then what is it?
That is NutraBio.
Oh, the NutraBio Whey
See.
Protein.
See that?
Yeah, see that?
So that stuff is expensive, right?
So expensive.
We introduced it to the rotifer, and what did the rotifer do?
He was like, help me, squirming away.
Yeah.
He was like kind of like running for his life.
Did he crawl up in a ball?
Not really. He kind of like stretched out and like was trying to hide.
Really?
Different places.
Okay.
Into like the different like mush of particles.
Well, you guys, I'm telling you, she's a science expert. No, I mean, I'm telling you, that's what we saw, and take it as you want because you can buy the stuff or not. We're just trying to show you what we saw on in the microscope and to show you guys. Okay.
Yeah, and this is all like fun.
It's yeah, right? I think the best was the NutraBio, right?
Yeah.
Because I guess it's more expensive. And then the worst was the plant-based, which I don't understand because it's plant-based.
Yeah.
Which is that one, you know?
Well, because it's made of peas, rice, quinoa blend.
Yeah.
So that's like nature and stuff, which you would think nature and nature would be okay together, but I guess some natures don't work together.
You would think, right? So I'm going to tell you right now, thank you for being such a great lab assistant. I think you
no
should
problem.
take charge over this whole production.
Oh, really?
But don't forget to subscribe,
Yeah, or else.
For reals, because
Or else.
you don't want to see any of that, right? You're going to face gun number 1 and gun number 2. You got to bring it. Oh, and also, if you don't subscribe, you're going to end up with the unsubscribers. Also, check out this video. It's about rotifers that are looking at your energy drink. So what energy drink do you drink? So the rotifers kind of react a little weird to that too. So
yeah.
So yeah, the bonus footage, I don't know what it is. I think it's mosquito larvae, but we're going to check that out. You guys, it looks like a snake breathing in the water.
It looks like snake skin all curled up, and then like once we actually zoomed in on it, it was like very alive.
It's breathing. It's like,
yeah, it was like moving and
it's crazy. So
Scooby-ing.
All right, man. So Riley, thank you for this. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
and
you're welcome.
It's summer vacation, so she's staying with us for about a week. So I appreciate her being here.
Yeah, no problem.
Say
Anytime.
subscribe.
Yeah, you guys should like subscribe to him because
if you don't, you're gonna face this. All right, peace out.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.
Good job. Oh, one more time. All right.